Hello and welcome back to my channel. Here's another travel vlog as we travel from Iloilo to Boracay via land travel. Of course, as I am unvaccinated, I need to have a negative RT-PCR to enter Boracay. The cheapest and fastest in Iloilo City was in Metro Iloilo Hospital and Medical Center. The process was very smooth and after a few hours, I got the result in my email. Negative, of course. We went last December, specifically December 21 to 23, so the crowds were really understandable. Upon arrival at the Caticlan port, you need to present your QR code, which you can get at touristboracay.com. Then, you will need to get your ticket, which is 100 pesos for adults and 80 pesos for seniors. After that, you have to pay the environmental fee and the boat ticket. And here is the place where they will assign you your boat number. The ferry boat to Boracay Island was clean, well lit, and comfortable. After a few minutes of travel, we arrived at Boracay Island. We're riding an e-trike. Wala na daw tricycle. Say hi! Say hi! And here's where we stayed at, Tan's Guest House, a comfortable room where you can even cook and is only just a few steps away from the beach. It is located in Station 2, right in the middle of everything. I will put in the description box their Facebook account so you can contact them if you want to stay in their place also. On our first day, we decided to walk along the white beach towards the end of Station 1. Of course, there's no trip in Boracay without having the famous Jonas fruit shakes. This branch is located at the end of Station 1, I think. But did you know that Jonas Fruit Shake's humble beginning started 39 years ago with a mini stall? Now they have more than 3 branches in Boracay Island. And they don't only serve fruit shakes but also sandwiches, burgers, pastas, and rice meals. At the end of the Station 1, I found this quiet and clean spot and decided to take a dip to refresh my body from the heat. We also found this swing hanging from a coconut, and yes, I did climb this coconut. I reached the top. After our little morning hike, we decided to do one water activity, the infamous UFO. We availed it from Milky's Dive Center. Our guide was Kuya Ceasar. I will put his contact number down below in the description box because I would definitely recommend him. Super bait and inalagaan talaga kami. I pleaded to the Kuyas to make it rough, fast, and make us drop in the water, but they just wouldn't do it as I have 3 senior citizens with me. But they had fun, which is all that matters. The next day is our departure day. Of course, before leaving Boracay Island, you would have to present your QR code and a valid ID, pay the terminal fee and the boat fee. This is one of the Roro that has a straight route to Batangas Pier, but it was too expensive if you have a car with you. Maybe next time though.
2 weeks later.
Yep! 2 weeks later, we decided to go back to Boracay, now with my sister's family, and this time we are not bringing the car, which means we will be able to ride a direct Roro from Batangas Pier to Katiklan. Welcome back! Oh, so hectic. This is the first travel vlog for year 2021. We are going to Boracay. This is January 7. And starting January 9, mag-change na yung protocol. Ang Boracay daw is mag-require na ng RT-PCR kahit vaccinated. So, this is January 9. Meron kaming 2 days loophole to arrive at Boracay without doing an RT-PCR for the vaccinated. Pero ako na unvaccinated, I'm gonna do the RT-PCR and there's aboard. First time to try the Starlight Ferries. So it's a Roro also. We got our tickets from Starlight Ferries as it is the cheapest. Their economy bed banks, which we got, is 1,650. But here's their other room types, which will give you more privacy.
The next morning.
Kaya mo yan. Hold ka na lang. Yan. Very good. Thank you. Say thank you. Thank you po.
Upon arrival at Boracay Island, we spend time by the beach as we arrive very, very early in the morning, and we have to wait for our check-in time.
Sit down.
For our activities, we went on a tour that includes island hopping, cliff diving in Magic Island, bathing in the famous Kawa bath.
Ano? Enjoy ka? Anong ginawa mo? Anong ginawa mo? Nag-swim sa? Hindi, yung bathtub. Anong pangalan? Wa. Anong pangalan ginawa mo? Ulitin mo nga.
And stopping by Puka Beach, which became a favorite spot of my nephew. After the Puka Beach, we went snorkeling, but half of the boat passengers got dizzy, and me and my mom puked out and blessed the fish with free food. The tour comes with free buffet lunch, but only the boys and the kids were left standing to enjoy it. You can see me beside this little girl all passed out. The next morning, we walked along White Beach, and as there's no people on the famous grotto and the water is so tempting, we all went for a swim and even rented a paddleboard. When we got tired of swimming, we walked towards the end of White Beach and looked for diving spots and hidden swimming pools.
Nandito. Maganda mag-swimming dyan, no? Hindi, maaraw. Ang daming isda, oh.
We actually enjoyed it so much because it feels like we own the whole island as we are almost the only tourists around. This is a dessert place I would definitely recommend. Coco Mama is located at the mall and is serving coconut ice cream with different toppings. What can I say? It's from coconut. Lesser evil than normal ice cream and still super delicious.
Dalawa po single. Tapos ma'am. Yun lang, dalawa po single.
Pwedeng 2 spoons.
Ito na.
Kita mo, dapat nakikita ang kumakain.
And here I am teaching my niece to film me.
Daming dog! The only problem in Boracay, pag January to March daw, it's full of seaweed. Tapos, anong gagawin niyo po? Ilalagay niyo na doon? Pinaglalaroan niyo lang? So the local kids are playing with it. We are going to ride a speedboat to do a parasailing. This is Tuesday, January 11. Tatlo lang makikita nyo nagpa-parasailing in the horizon. Yan yung mga paraol. Naka-park lang sila. So sad.
After having our sugar dose, my sister and brother decided to treat the kids to parasailing. Of course, we contacted Kuya Ceasar to assist us again. I would definitely say that we already had fun riding the speedboat towards the water activity platform.
Say hi, Ricky! Dito yung mga water sports na.
After our parasailing, we rushed to take our spot to watch the famous Boracay sunset. Isn't it beautiful? And because it is our last night here, we decided to have ice cream from Noah's Ice Cream. It is located beside Nigi Nigi Nunu's at Station 2. And this is our second time to buy it. His dirty ice cream was really delicious. Go find him. For our last morning, even though our throats are sore, we decided to try this ice flakes which has been bugging me with ads in Facebook. Go, try it out, and I hope this cool man will sing for you while making your order. Total trooper.
Now you want me to forget every little thing she said, but there is something left in my head. I won't forget, so when you're feeling so strong, you're lasting for so long, but right now tonight your heart is missing. That's why you go away. I know you were never satisfied, no matter how I try. I don't wanna say goodbye to
And yup, this one is a must try here in Boracay. Their ice is just so soft in your tongue.
So this is what it looks like. It's like the Korean bingsu. Super soft yung ice niya. And ang sarap niya. Naisipan lang ako ngayon. Pero this is a really must try here in Boracay. Meron silang other flavors like the coconut, watermelon, and halo-halo. Of course, it's mango because this is my favorite fruit. Here's the entrance compared to our last month right here. So vacant. Literally no people. Hindi na nga ako pumila eh.
We rode the Starlight again going back to Manila as they are much cheaper than to go.
So this is the cafeteria. Starbucks foods and drinks. This is what their dining room looks like. So, kinuha na naman yung food. Free food pala. One free food. One free meal for your ticket. Kasi maya-maya pag nag-move na yung barko, dadami ng pila. So, going back to Batangas, we got the tourist class because wala na daw space for the economy. The only difference is mas higher yung harang and aircon condition. And this is what the tourist class looks like. And this is
May treasure si Papa.
a fritada daw.